Are you a teen that wants to make money but doesn't know where to start? Are you too young or unable to get a job? If so, then this video is for you. Hey guys, it's Hope and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a part 2 to my how to make money as a teen. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some simple and realistic ways to make money as a teenager. Before we get started, here are today's shoutouts. Stay to the end of the video to find out how you can get a shout out. Let's just get started with the video. First, I have being an influencer. You can do this on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, anything that you have a big following on or are gaining a following on. You promote brands and products and you can sometimes get paid for it. As your platform grows, companies will send you things if you talk about them on your channel, and eventually they may even start paying you to talk about them. Next, I have sell your clothes. Sell your old or non-fitting clothes or simply items you don't want on apps like Depop and Poshmark. This is such an easy way to make money. You just have to take some pictures of your clothes and share them to that app. Also, promote them on your social medias so that way other people can discover that you're selling clothes. Next, I have tutoring. Tutor someone younger than you in a subject that you're good at. Currently, I'm tutoring a girl in math, which is my best subject, which is a lot of fun because I'm helping her to learn more and do better on tests while making a little bit of money. Next, I have pet sit. When someone is out of town, watch their pets for them. This will require different things depending on the pet. If they have a dog, you might need to take them in. If they have a cat, you can go and check on their cat every couple days or more. It depends on their cat. Like my cat needs a lot of attention, but some cats you can just fill up their food and water once or twice and that's all you need to do. If maybe a guinea pig or a hamster, you just need to go once a day and give them some food, water, and a little bit of attention. Fish, you just need to feed them. So it really depends on the pet, but this is such an easy way to make money. Along with that, I have pet walk, so you can walk people's dogs for them. Not only is this an easy way to make money, but you can also get some exercise from it. Kind of along with pet sitting, I have plant sit and pick up mail. When someone is out of town, you can water their plants and pick up their mail for them. This is such an easy way to make money, and it is really helpful to whoever you are doing it for. Finally, I have start a business. I did talk about this one in my last video, but I wanted to mention it again because this one is such a great way to make money. You can sell your things at school or in different communities you're a part of, such as your sports teams, your friends, people in your neighborhood, or you can sell them on places like Etsy and Instagram. There are so many things to sell, which makes it really great because you can start a business from whatever makes you happy. Some ideas I have are jewelry and art, clothes. I have a friend who sells tie-dye things. Makeup. I have another friend with a lip gloss company. And if you're good at sewing, you can also sell face masks. I think that could be a really good thing to sell right now because everybody needs them. Anyways, those are all of my ideas for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. For a chance to get a shout out, share this video with one or more of your friends and let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!